back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to generate marketing posters in Canva AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to generate a marketing poster in Canva AI, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open Canva. Once you tap open Canva, you need to simply use the magic design or AI poster generator. So you can simply go and search for the templates as well. You can go there and type in like marketing posters. Once you search in marketing posters, you can get like different kind of marketing poster templates right over there. You can simply select any of the marketing poster you would like to customize, and once you've selected that particular marketing poster, you can go and tap on the design section. After doing this, you can tap on generate design. So you need to describe your ideal design. You need to simply design flashy design or something like that and tap on generate design. Now Canva will search or like think for a design that can be used for marketing poster, and it will give you a AI version of it, so you can simply generate and use this marketing poster as your output. So this is how you can generate marketing posters in Canva AI. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.